Hi there, my name is Derek Holland. I'm the Closet Doctor. I'm here and over the weekend I was looking at this post here on WoodWeb. A guy had a question about panel saw versus beam saw output versus CNC per day. Kind of a little discussion here, and we've got some people that think that the CNC isn't the way to go for a variety of reasons. So here's what I'm going to do. Picture's worth 1,000 words, video's worth 1,000 pictures. I'm going to start a new job here on my cabinet vision. I'm doing this one-handed, so there, and I'm going to select my, got my garage cabinet set. Yeah, the original poster asked about flat panel doors, so my garage cabinets are flat panel with 128mm center-to-center spacing on the handles. It's already there. I'm going to select OK, and we'll put some cabinets on the wall. This has all been set up beforehand. And we use cabinet vision. You can use whatever you'd like. To get more stuff on a sheet, I'm going to adjust some height sizes here. So we get 30 inches high, and we'll go some odd size cabinets. This one we will make 36. Right. Okay. So I get, and we're going to make this one 30. So that's my upper cabinets on there. We're going to do this all live without any editing or breaks, so we'll just follow you right through it. Base cabinets, 48. Copy that one, put that one down. So all of our parameters have been put into cabinet vision beforehand. It did take me somebody that really knows what they're doing, and I paid them a little bit of money, but we know what we do and what we do well. And so we've got all of that stuff set in here. We don't ever have to look at G-code or anything like that. We've selected our tooling. We've selected stuff optimized for what we do. Okay, so that is my. This is what we're going to run for you guys for doors. These are all flat panel doors. They have handles already in it. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to run send them out to my machine. Here we're going to filter the parts because we only want the doors on here. So we're going to select the door slabs, select OK, optimize, run. It's going to take about, got 2 sheets of material here. There's our one nest, one sheet, and our second sheet. I'm going to go ahead and create code for it. On the second screen there, it's creating code. This is a door test. We're going to name that. Oops. My super typing. Click OK. We're going to move them out to the CNC in on the machine. So there's my labels. We're going to go find that. Here's what we do. Not the most efficient way, but we're going to print off the 2 sheets of that nest. That gives us cabinet numbers. We don't have labeling set up yet. Josh here is going to pull this off the printer. We got both of them. Okay, here we go, Josh. Let's run these. We're going to walk outside the door here to our shop. We missed that customer on the phone because we're doing your work here. We're going to fire up our CNC. Select our work list. Pull up our new file. There we go. We've got our 2 sheets that we're going to do. Check them to make sure they match the drawing that we've got. And we're going to push a couple buttons. Make sure our cable's clean. Turn on our big vacuum pump. Since this is a scrap board, cover sheet on here. This is only 1/2 inch material. We didn't change anything. This is exactly how we would run a 3/4 inch piece. We're just running this so that we can throw this in the trash when we're all done and not have to have worried about it. Josh is going to go turn on the dust collector. At this point, you guys can probably skip ahead a couple of minutes if you want to get to the end to see the whole time. So the first thing it's doing is it's drilling all of our hinge holes. Now on this job, the hinge holes are going to be a little shallow because it thinks it's 3/4 inch material. We're just doing this for to actually get the run time on it. Hinge holes are drilled all where they need to be. When we're done here is what Josh is going to do. Since I don't have labeling set up on this machine, he's going to grab the sheet, and in the hinge hole he's going to write the number of the cabinet that it goes on. So it's already on the paperwork. He knows what cabinet it is. He'll write it in the hole here. Okay, so we're done drilling all of our hinge holes, and all of the holes for the handles are also done on this job. And now we're going to cut it all out. This has got melamine peeling all over it, so hopefully it stays on the table. Shouldn't be a problem with these big parts. Now normally, so this is the first sheet. On the second sheet, if the second sheet was running, instead of my operator standing around and Josh standing around, he would be actually edge banding. In our business, we would be running these edge banded. He would be edge banding these parts as the second sheet runs. And we're on the first run here, and decided to do this about 8 minutes ago to take a video, so we're not really set up for that, but to get you an idea where we're at. So we're just finishing up here. Next thing, so Josh is going to grab it. He's going to turn the vacuum on and pull the scrap off. Throw that in the garbage. It's going to vacuum up the stuff, the anti-sawdust that's left on there. Just throw that off for now. That's good. Just gonna pull out here, and he's just gonna write the cabinet number in the hinge hole, so we know what it is. So we got our cabinet number in each one. He pulls them over here, sets them on a pallet. Go ahead and blow off load the next sheet. We'll just run it dry. So he's going to blow off the table now. We'll pretend that we're going to put another sheet on. So he's clean. Go ahead and load another sheet, or run it like you were. Push the button. Just pulled that sheet on, slid it into place. Push the button, made sure the vacuum pump's on, and we're good to go. So there you have, from putting it on the computer to running it, I'm 9 minutes and 14 seconds.